Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on area of a square. The formula for the area of a square is similar to the one for the rectangle, except that both sides are equal. So we have a square here with S units and S units. Now remember, the sides of a square are equal. So the area is S units by S units, which is S square units. For example 1, we have a square where each of the sides is 4 centimetres. So the area will be 4 centimetres times 4 centimetres, and that's 16 square centimetres. For example 2, the square has measurements of 5 metres. Both sides are the same. So the area will be 5 metres times 5 metres, and that's 25 square metres. Example 3. Now this one's a little bit different and it just requires a little bit of extra thinking. If the area of a square is 49 square centimetres, find the length of one side. So when we don't know the length of the sides, just let them equal S. So let's pretend that's S centimetres, and that's also S centimetres. We know that S centimetres times S centimetres will be 49 square centimetres, because that's the area we were given. Therefore S squared equals 49. So we ask ourselves, what number, when you multiply it by itself, gives us 49? And we know that S equals 7, because 7 sevens are 49. So the side of the square is 7 centimetres. Example 4. This is a little bit similar, except there's one extra step. If the area of a square is 81 square centimetres, what is the perimeter? Again, you let the sides be S centimetres each. So S centimetres by S centimetres is 81 square centimetres. That means S squared must be 81. What number multiplied by itself gives you 81? The answer is 9. So the side is 9 centimetres. Now to find the perimeter, you just add all the sides up. Since there are 4 sides, 4 times 9 is 36. So the perimeter is 36 centimetres. So this video has introduced the formula for the area of a square, and as well as finding the simple area of the square, we've just seen 2 other types of problems that can be done. But as long as you know the formula, these 2 problems are very, very straightforward.